Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, coming to you with a new and exciting product from the team here at Speedwerx. We have our new titanium L2 muffler for the Polaris 9R and 850 models. This thing altogether only weighs 2 pounds. It's 14 pounds lighter than stock. It retails for $799.95. If you like what you hear, click the link below, take you to the website. You can read up on it, buy it, anything else you want to do in between there. But yeah. Super cool trick piece, 100% made here right in the shop that I'm standing in right now. Titanium, of course. It is our L2, which is short for light and loud. If you do not want a loud muffler, don't go after this muffler. Then it also comes with our deep snow technology on it, where when you're jumping or porpoising in deep snow out in the mountains, you know, you'll get that exhaust we'll call it capping off, where the exhaust fills up with snow. Gives the exhaust nowhere to go. This gives us an exit path, and it gives that snow a place to evacuate as well. And it really helps in them deep days, help maintaining that throttle response. Really helps there. We've been adding it in our mufflers now for several years, and we've had really good results with it. But yeah, once again, it's 14 pounds lighter than stock. It is a loud muffler. It's a race-inspired can, so be aware of that. If you call and say, oh, it's too loud, well, yeah, we told you that, so don't do that. Retails $799, lightest piece on the market. If you guys have any questions, let us know.